Are you looking for the top 5 outdoor speakers? Big sound, zero wires, all vibes? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 outdoor speakers. Big sound, zero wires, all vibes on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. KOVE Commuter 2 Black Bluetooth Speakers. Indoor or outdoor speaker. Turn up the volume with our powerhouse speaker. It delivers 2 equalizer modes for higher quality crystal clear sound, so you always have vivid sound whether you're listening in your living room, backyard, or at the beach. Splittable loudspeaker. This easy-to-use touchscreen speaker is where the average and extraordinary split. When combined, they create a 360 surround sound, but when separated they create optimal left and right stereo sound perfect as a party speaker. Intense bass. The KOVE Commuter 2 delivers rich bass with exceptional clarity, zero distortion, and a powerful subwoofer for studio sound quality built for music lovers everywhere. Effortless connectivity. When the party is over, this Bluetooth 5.0 is a perfect long-distance speaker for top-notch hands-free calling. It can be 32 feet away, maintaining strong connection and a long battery life that lets you get back to business. Includes USB charging cable, which can be found inside the box with the product instructions. IPX7 water resistant. No need to panic. The KOVE is a totally splash-proof and rainproof shower speaker with IPX7 certification. The speaker can resist gentle water splash without being fully submerged. Number 2. Herdio 5.25 inches 600 watts passive indoor-outdoor speakers, wired waterproof. Superior sound. The outdoor speaker system powers a 1.0-inch superior dome tweeter, 5.25 aluminum injection cone woofer. That legendary Herdio sound is now made to rock from your family room, backyard, deck, garage, under the eaves, or near the pool, and it still provides great sound on a boat or an RV. Outdoor speakers waterproof. Rainproof seals keep water from damaging input ports and cable wire connection. Stain protection and waterproof speaker grills keep the speaker and stand up to weather in any season. Versatile swivel brackets. Making sure you were able to place your outdoor speakers in your most desired location, we added easy install swivel brackets that allow up to a 120-degree range of motion, while the front facial can rotate up to 90 degrees. Ensuring easy placement and focus sound quality where you want it. Product dimensions: SADface LXW XH 9.57 inch, 243 millimeters. L X 7.28, 185 millimeters. W X 6.57, 167 millimeters. H installs easily on walls and ceilings. 100% customer satisfaction, 1-year service. We pride ourselves in ensuring customer satisfaction. Herdio provides sales support with our professional customer support team. If it's a technical question or a basic question, we'll be more than happy to help. What you get: 4X outdoor speakers, 4X mount brackets, 4X speaker wires, 16.4 feet/5 m. Number 3. Polk Audio Atrium 4 Weatherproof Outdoor Speakers. The compact Atrium 4 outdoor wired speakers produce high-fidelity sound quality anywhere you want great sound. The small size of the powered speakers makes it ideal for tight, out-of-the-way installations. With an aluminum dome tweeter and polypropylene cone driver in each speaker, enjoy deep, accurate bass and smoother response. Polk's patented dynamic balance and clipple optimization technologies ensure perfect material performance, eliminating driver and tweeter artifacts for more realistic sound reproduction at high and low volume levels. The weatherproof outside speakers feature a rust-proof aluminum grille, rust-proof aluminum bracket, and stainless steel/brass hardware that can endure seasonal change and deliver indoor speaker quality audio for years of outdoor listening enjoyment. Quick and easy to install with Polk's speed lock mounting system. Number 4. Polk Audio Atrium 5 outdoor speakers, wired with powerful bass. Like all of our outdoor models, the Atrium 5 are all-weather certified and water-resistant, built to withstand the worst elements: salt fog, UV, extreme temps, or heavy rains. As Polk Audio outdoor speakers, you'll be enjoying great performance for years to come. It's time to get that indoor sound you love. All from outdoor wired speakers you can position anywhere around your home. Aluminum grills and bracket with stainless steel and brass hardware mean no rust ever. Features Polk's patented dynamic balance technology with 5-inch driver and 0.75 tweeter. Power port technology smoothly transitions airflow from the speaker into your listening area for deep, extended bass impact while minimizing turbulence and distortion. These speakers are easy to install and look great both outdoors and indoors, whether you need wall mount speakers, garage speakers, or outside speakers for parties. Used for outdoor music. Number 5. 400W Outdoor Bluetooth Speakers. Elevate your outdoor entertainment with these 400W outdoor Bluetooth speakers, designed to deliver massive, room-filling sound wherever you go. Featuring dual wireless sync capability, you can effortlessly pair multiple speakers for an immersive surround sound experience, perfect for parties, backyard gatherings, or poolside fun. Built with IPX5 waterproof protection, these speakers are ready to withstand rain, splashes, and outdoor conditions without missing a beat. The powerful bass and crystal-clear highs ensure every song hits with deep, dynamic impact, while advanced Bluetooth technology guarantees a stable, long-range wireless connection. Equipped with a rechargeable high-capacity battery, these speakers keep the music going for hours on end. With rugged durability, easy portability, and a bold design, they're ideal for camping, tailgating, or any outdoor adventure. Experience big sound with zero wires, your ultimate companion for music that moves with you, wherever life takes you.